Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do Accordion Promenade Walks. Knowing how to do an accordion already would be really useful. Having some experience with walks would be really useful as well. I will stick links in the description below, so if you want to go back and recap anything, it's going to be easy for you to find the clips. But without further ado, we're going to jump straight in with the Accordion Promenade Walks. It's one of those moves you could do big, and we are going to do it as big as we can with the space we've got. So it looks like this. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And obviously you're still in an accordion. You could do any kind of accordion variations in and out at either end. So let's break it down and we'll see how we go. So it starts off like a standard accordion. We're going to set it up so that we're heading guys that way, ladies that way, so you don't run out of room, as it were. So we go right to right, semicircle back, we're going off for the left. We're going to sweep the lady through in a return direction, picking up the spare hand. So entry to an accordion, we've sent the lady out to the right, guys have head over to the left. Do another piece of an accordion using the left, we sweep the lady over to the left, guys head over to the right. Now we're actually going to go into the promenade walks. So we're going to bring the lady through as if we're doing the next section of an accordion, but instead of the guy continuing past, we're going to drop back with the lady. So we then take a nice big step back, guys right, ladies right. Guys should be a little bit ahead of the lady, and we're not in tight, we're not hitting the shoulders, we've still got the hands quite well out, so we're making quite a lot of space for each other. And we're going to walk at an angle, so we're not walking facing forwards, we're not walking facing sideways, we're walking at an angle to the direction of movement. So we actually go step, cross, and we're just going to do 1/3 step to stop for the left foot, that is. Then we're going to rock back, take the left over the top, turn the lady to the right, we're back into a piece of an accordion, guys head over to the left to get out of the way, and we can do the prep and go back. So we do the same prep, coming in, we get the step back, guys are a fraction ahead of the lady, and we get step, cross, step, step, we come back, we send the lady out, and we're just going to finish with one more piece of an accordion so that we're ready to do whatever kind of accordion exit we would like. So let's do that again from the other side. You'll get the other view and we'll talk numbers. So we go back and offer 1, bring the lady through, 2 and look, 3, bring the lady back, 4 and look, 5, we come in 6, preparation 7, walking for 8 and 1 and 2, send the lady back, 3, look, 4, preparation 5, rocking back 6, we walk 7 and 8 and 1, moving through 2, look 3, over the top 4 and look 5. So we've done everything. It's quite a lot to remember. If you need to go back and watch it through a few times, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. In fact, I'd be surprised if once through was enough for almost anybody. So let's go for it, assuming you're ready to go. Goes 5, 6, Accordion Promenade Walks. We go offer, sweep, look, sweep, look, coming in, preparation and walk, walk, stop, through, look, wrap, preparation, walk, walk, stop, back, look, over and out. And that's the whole thing. Hope you enjoy that. I hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. If you are finding what we're doing useful, do like the moves that you like. Subscribe to the channel because that helps boost the channel. So big thank you to everybody who does that. And if you want to know every time a new video comes out, just pop the notification bell on, and that way you'll get a little message when there's a new video to see. Music recommendation on the end. One of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video will be to a music video, which will be a tune appropriate to practice this to. And I hope you've enjoyed what we've been doing. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.